June was such a fun reading month because I joined my first two street teams, I received my first swag box, and I hit 200 plus followers on Instagram and so much more. Let's wrap up everything which happened in this month of June. Before I introduce myself, I want to ask you guys one thing, that can I call you guys tulips? This is my favorite flower and I really love it. If yes, drop tulip in the comments. Hi tulips, welcome and welcome back to Only Insane Reads, and I'm Anu. We are going to wrap everything which happened in the month of June, from the books I read to some exciting Bookstagram milestones. Let's get started. The first book I read this month was Blind Date, and this was also the first street team I got selected for. The book had drama, spice, complicated relationships, and conflicted situations. There was chemistry between the main characters, but I personally wanted more emotional bonding, like deep conversation, emotional development, and meaningful conversation. If you enjoy complicated relationships and lots of drama with spicy romance, then I think you will enjoy this one. Moving on to a completely different story from my usuals, Dominator by Swarnajit on Wattpad. It contains disturbing scenes, abusive language, misogynistic characters because it is inspired from real mafia stories, and it's not a mafia romance, it's a pure mafia fiction which shows brutality in the mafia world. If you love dark fiction where you cannot trust a single character, not even the lead character, then congrats tulips, you find your match. Now this book broke me into multiple pieces and then put them back together, stitched them and healed them in the ways I cannot even explain. And Saad, the man that he is, bhai. Story is filled with trauma, healing, found family, and a beautiful relationship that I have ever read. Also, this man traveled 8 hours daily and ही एट कोल्ड फूड, जो फ्रिज से बिल्कुल निकाला हुआ फूड होता है, वो फूड, जस्ट सो ही कुड ईट विद हर बिकॉज शी यूज टू हाइपर वेंटिलेट अराउंड हीट. इफ़ यू लव इमोशनल स्टोरीज दैट ब्रेक्स you and puts you back together, congrats! This one is a must read. After that, I read 2 short stories. First one was this. It has 3 stories in total, and I liked personally second story. It has love, it has trust, it has betrayal, it has friendship packed in all in one story. And then this was a novella. It had like a dominant man and submissive woman kind of dynamic, which I don't enjoy usually. So, and my next read was Win Me Over by S.C. Jain, and Garima absolutely stole the show for me. She is the cutest human ever. And this story was full of wholesome moments like slow burn romance with butterflies. It had cricket romance. It had single dad trope and characters trying to work it out instead of giving up. If that sounds like your vibe, maybe you found your next read. Now let me present you my final and last read of the month, which is The Mismatched Cupid by Rue Writes on Wattpad. This is the first story where I cannot categorize my favorite character because all of them are so full of chaos and like fills all the criteria which declares them my favorite characters. And if we talk about the story, this story made me giggle so much. At times I felt like कि मेरे stomach के अंदर जो भी ये organs है ना, वो सारे ऐसे flip कर गए, ऐसे flip. मतलब if you love college romance books with तड़का of small twists and multiple chaotic couples with slow burn as main meal, then you should definitely check this one out. Overall, I read 7 books this month, and which means that it's time for our very first award for best book of the month goes to The Mismatched Cupid by Rue Writes on Wattpad. Now our second award for character of the month, cutest character. तुम guess करो, मैंने तुम्हें पहले ही बोला था cutest character. It's Garima. Yes, it's Garima from Win Me Over by S.C. Jain. Now our third award for comfort character. And guess मैंने नाम बताया हुआ है. It's Saad from his Unwanted Bride by Autumn of Lilac on Wattpad. And our fourth and final award for the best quote of the month, and he says that how can I be a man if I plan to cheat on my wife. Okay, award शवार्ड हो गया. Now let's talk about our creator month updates. मैं सारी चीज़ें पॉइंट में बताऊंगी, वरना फिर तुम लोग बोर हो जाओगे और फिर छोड़ के चले जाओगे, विच इज़ नॉट एक्सेप्टेबल. सो फर्स्ट, आई हिट 200 plus followers on Instagram. Congratulations to us. And if you haven't followed, why? जाके follow करो. Second चीज़ is I received my first swag box. Third, I joined 2 street teams. Fourth is I did a paid review this month. Fifth is I am better reading a book. Final one is some of my favorite authors and bookstagrammers followed me on Instagram, which is very unreal for me. And finally, I have decided to take YouTube more seriously and post consistently here. So if you are here, welcome to the beginning of the journey. Now let's talk about my current reads. अभी तो मैंने कोई book start नहीं करी है because आज ही मैंने finish करी थी The Mismatched Cupid. It's 30 June by the way. I am gonna start probably is Lies and Love by Dr. Fanny J, because second book is coming out soon. And that's pretty much how my June went. And it's now your turn, Tulips, that you will tell me in comments ki what was your last read and what are you currently reading, or maybe give me the name of all the books you have read in June, like your small June wrap up. So if you want link of any of the books I mentioned, you can DM me on Instagram. Here is my profile. I'll happily share the links with you guys. So if you enjoyed this hangout with me, subscribe the channel if you haven't, and like this video, share this video. Plus follow me on Instagram. I generally post my current reads or reels there about memes and Panic and Pages reviews. There is so much of it. You can follow me there, and that's it. So I will see you in the next reader diaries. Until then, happy reading. Ta-ta.